Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Acer Iconia A10, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Now let's scroll down to find more security and privacy, scroll down again and find encryption and credentials. At the bottom of this, almost at the bottom of the list, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.